So now our chapter number 5 for unit number 5 of class English, second raindrops. Mohan the potter. This is Mohan. He lives in Kuppa Palm village. He is a potter. Uses clay to make pots, jugs, oil lamp, and clay cups. He used a potter wheel to shape the clay and make the pots. He stored drinking water in a pot. He keeps the water cool in summers. It keeps the water cool in summers. We use clay cups to drink tea and lassi. We used oil lamps for lighting for worship. Mohan has a black card. He carries the things he made to the city. He sells them and get money. People like his pots and jugs very much. What does Mohan do? He makes pots. What are the things that Mohan makes? He makes jug, lamps, pots. How did Mohan go to the city? Through the help of bull carts. What does he do with the things he make? He sell through pot. The earthen pot, take cools water in the summer, and lamps used in the lighting and for worship. Underline all the word in the lesson which have double letters. For example, koppa. So let's see and find out such words. This is Mohan, like village, potter, keep, cool. So समझ नहीं आएगा. Like this. Says whether the following statement are right or wrong. Mohan lives in city. Wrong. Mohan makes pots, lamps, jugs, and clay cups. Right. Mohan has two block cards. One block card. Clay pots keep the water cool. Right. Mohan sells the things he makes. Yes. Fill in the blanks. This is one wheel. There are three wheels. This is chair. There are four chairs. This is table. There are three tables.